Welcome to the world debut of the Scout 670 LXF. This is one beautiful boat. Step on board with me and let's show you around. This beautiful boat will go for days because she's tricked out with 1,500 gallons of fuel. Run it all day long on these 5 Mercury 600 V12s, giddy up and go. On the port side, we have a nice wet shower in graphite. We also have a graphite ladder so you can get up on board very easily. And on both the port and starboard side, we have platforms which extend the beam even farther. And then built into the platform is a boarding step, which is really ingenious. At the end of the day, this is a beautiful Scout, but it is a Scout, so that means it's ready to fish. Rocket launchers overhead, rod holders wherever you look, massive live wells, in-deck fish boxes, everything you need for that fresh catch. One step up and you're in the mid-cockpit area and it's fantastic. Check out the teak swivel chairs. It's a wet bar. You can grab a nice drink while at rest in the evening. Then you have a fantastic seat here. You can dine al fresco back here. And then just in front of me, I have a flip down MFD so you can get all your chart plotting, all your telemetry right at hand for everybody in the aft end. So when you're ready to fish this thing, all your information is right here. You need access to the hard top. This just pulls right down, pop open the glass, and you're up on the roof in no time at all. All on the same level, you can step into the main salon. This is a yacht. This salon is so well appointed. We have an actuated window which slides down, which allows you to engage with everybody in the aft end of the boat, and then turn your attention to the dinette here in the inside. We have refrigeration, we have a burner, and of course you can fill this in and spend the night if you want to, but why would you? It is so beautiful. The galley, we have seating for 4, so everybody can enjoy the cruising experience when we do it. In addition to that, we have 2 Garmin MFDs, so you have your telemetry, you have your chart, whatever you need to see, backup camera, whatever you want, it's at your fingertips as well as the captain's. I know you want to take the wheel because I want to take the wheel too. I can put those 5 Mercury 600s in my hand and control it no problem. Fantastic visibility up here. I have dual Garmin array. I can set it up any way I want it with my cameras, control every function on the boat right here at hand. And of course I have my Mercury power controls, my Mercury skyhook, my Mercury vessel view, and I also have zip weight control here. I also have a bow and stern thruster on this. She's a Scout. You're gonna see her from a million miles away because that Carolina flare going 57 miles an hour. Giddy up and go. That's full of fuel. Plenty of light here in the atrium area of this beautiful yacht. As you step down below, a beautiful sitting area, and in the aft end, I have dual cabins on both the port and starboard side, and then we can move forward to the primary. Welcome to the life of luxury here in the bow of this 67 gorgeous yacht. A beautiful V-berth here, you have your TV, you have plenty of storage. And then on the port side, we have a beautiful stand-up shower, well appointed, and a head on the starboard side. The day head is absolutely exquisite, including a rainwater separate shower. You can relax in the atrium if you want to watch a little TV, have a little coffee, whatever you want to do. And if you have kiddos in the water, you have a through hull so you can see what's going on the outside as well. Come up to the bow and relax. Multiple levels of lounging up here, catch some rays. Maybe you have a little rosé all day up here. This is a great place on a great boat. Great access up to the bow, but on the starboard side, I have a starboard side docking station as well. The length overall, 66 feet, 9 inches. And then she has a massive 16 feet, 2 inches of beam. That is luxury, luxury of space. At the end of the day, it's a Scout, has that huge Carolina flare. When I say huge, I mean huge. You can see it a mile away. It's gorgeous. What you should do is step on board this beautiful vessel, see all the incredible refinements, and take her for a sea trial.